QuickBooks Error 61750. 3 Quick Solutions. Solutions 1. Review your hosting settings. Step 1. Open QuickBooks on any workstation. Step 2. Go to the File tab and hover over Utilities. Step 3. If you see the Host Multi-User Access option, don't select it. Step 4. If you see the Stop Hosting Multi-User Access option, select it. Step 5. Repeat the steps in all the workstations you're facing the error. Step 6. Now, open QuickBooks on your server computer. Step 7. Go to the File tab and hover over Utilities. Step 8. If Host Multi-User Access is an option, select it. Step 9. Next, repeat the process and select Stop Hosting Multi-User Access. Step 10. Repeat the process one more time and select Host Multi-User Access. Solutions 2. Run QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 1. Close QuickBooks and open QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 2. If you don't have it, download and install it from the official website. Step 3. In the Tool Hub, select Company File Issues. Step 4. Then, select Quick Fix My File and it'll take some time to fix the issue. Step 5. Click OK once done. Step 6. Next, click on Run QuickBooks File Doctor and wait for it configure. Step 7. Enter the user ID and password, then click Continue. Step 8. QuickBooks Tool Hub will take some minutes to repair and diagnose. Step 9. Once done, open QuickBooks and see if the error is resolved. Solutions 3. Add a Windows user with admin rights and provide admin access to QuickBooks program. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start menu and go to Settings. Step 2. Go to Accounts. Step 3. Under Family and Other Users, select the account owner name and then select Change Account Type. Step 4. Under Account Type, select Administrator and then OK. Step 5. Sign in with the new administrator account. Step 6. Click on the Windows Start menu and open Control Panel. Step 7. Set the view by to category and select User Accounts. Step 8. Click on Manage Another Account and locate the QB Data Service User XX for your version of QuickBooks Desktop. Step 9. Select Change the Account Type. Step 10. Select Administrator and click on Change Account Type. Step 11. Repeat these steps for each version of QuickBooks Database Server Manager you use. Step 12. Once done, close the window and click on the Windows Start menu. Step 13. Enter Windows Firewall in the search bar and open it. Step 14. Go to Advanced Settings, select Inbound Rule and then New Rule. Step 15. Now, select Program and then Next. Step 16. Select this program path and then click Browse. Step 17. Find and select QuickBooks executable files, then click Next. Step 18. Select Allow the connection and then click Next. Step 19. If prompted, make sure that all profiles are marked and click Next. Step 20. Create a rule, name it and then click on Finish. Step 21. Now, repeat the same steps for outbound rules. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902298 +44 800 0548 150.